good. They all spread out. You know, not all of them are dying to go to the feeder. All of them are dying to go to the water. So that's always a good thing. You know, they're spread out. They're comfortable. They look very, very healthy. And even from day before yesterday, I mean, you can see the white feathers that are starting to come out. They're true feathers. So it's again, they grow fast, incredibly fast. These rocks in the water help out tremendously.